Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one topic, that is uh, currencies dependency. In this basically we are talking about the topic, that is ideas. Ideas are equal to global warming. Global warming are basically somebody is trying to solve. In this, one of the solution basically is 12th number solution, cities. In this basically we reached to this level that cities are equal to set of words basically, and set of words basically are created by set of countries, and set of cities also, you can say. And one of the person told that in IT industry, what is that basically? In IT industry basically textbooks are equal to 1,000 cities basically, and 1,000 city basically exists where basically that is written here basically. One of the person asked the question where actually that is written that textbooks equal to 1,000 cities, and that 1,000 city basically exist. Somebody, one of the person from the debate basically asked the thing basically. Then he told that yes, basically it's written basically 1,000 city basically exist, and that basically is written by some group basically. So one of the person told that yeah, basically it's very dangerous basically. One of the person told that things basically are very dangerous basically to handle this basically. The cities basically are equal to words, and words basically are created from set of cities, and cities basically are created from set of energies, and set of energies are basically created from set of energies group basically, and that all are the 22 blood groups. That means the blood groups has created cities, and the cities are equal to words basically, or basically previously it was not city, no basically. Previously word was there basically, there was city basically. Then into that no, basically there was not city basically. That means that is one of the question. One of the person asked the question basically. Previously there was not city. Previously land was there, right? Basically, one of the person told that yes, there was land basically, and that land basically is divided into 11 parts basically. Then he told that yes, basically, the land is divided into 11 parts, and city has divided into 11. Sorry, country. Sorry, land basically of the Earth planet is divided into 11 parts. Then he told that yes, basically even 11 parts basically it has divided, and like this basically the things basically are connected. Then one of the person told that this 11 land basically is the words basically connected with the 11 parts basically, because previously there was no word na basically. Sorry, there was no cities basically. Cities was there basically, but creation basically has not happened. Then he told that it might possible basically, but we can't say 100% reason. Possibilities basically are too much basically. So he told that basically yes, basically we are correct. So like this basically things are also basically there basically. Like this also basically things are there. So one of the person was told that basically Infosys group basically don't hire BCom people, right? Basically, then he told that yes, yeah, they don't hire because they are telling that basically there is no space for BCom people basically. They have not created the infrastructure for the BCom people basically. Infrastructure only they have not created. So basically, how they are going to think? Then he told that yes, yeah, basically there you are correct basically. You are correct basically. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ही नहीं, there is infrastructure ही नहीं बनाया है. Then if the infrastructure is not created by the Infosys group basically, then how basically you are going to think basically in the Infosys chamber basically. Then he told that yes, basically you are correct. So base only not created for the BCom people and the MCom people basically. So that might be some problem basically with the Infosys group basically. That might some problem basically, but we can't say the exact problem basically what actually the problem is. So he told that basically it might possible that some history problem basically might be there basically, or he might have told, somebody might have told that basically don't create BCom and MCom people basically. In this basically lots of this type of people basically are studying. So he might have planned the future plan basically. That might possible basically, but nothing basically, possibilities are there basically. He hires basically BSc people, but he don't hire BCom people. So that might possible that basically might not be having the projects basically. So one of the person who asked the question basically, which type of projects basically each and every companies is having basically, because they might be having the projects of cities only. Set of cities are equal to set of words. So can we track basically from the project? Can we track the set of words basically from the set of projects basically, which basically the software companies are basically creating? Then into that yes basically. Then when one of the person asked the question basically to Infosys group basically, do you have the list of set of words basically which you are basically contributing to the environment? Then he told that yes, no, we have basically. So he basically given the list of cities basically, and the list of cities is equal to set of words basically. So he was prepared that type basically when somebody asked the question basically. Like this entire number one software company, number two software company, like eClarex, then basically he is in Nariman Point basically, and basically the Mustang company is there, then the Patni computers are basically there, then the Capgemini, Accenture, these all are big companies. They have the list of the words basically on the base of the city, sorry, the cities list basically, on the base of the cities list basically the words basically are created. So just see up to what level the big software companies are basically doing the stuff basically. And they basically, literally basically they given the list of words and the list of cities to the World Bank person basically. Because he basically told that basically I want that list here basically, because I am solving the problem of the 20 percentage education error basically, which has basically really basically it has generated basically. We don't want to finish the entire education basically, that is the 80 percentage. So we are trying to solve the problem basically. So that debate actually is ongoing basically. So this debate and this basically debate basically we are trying to solve the Sunilar Nayar's problem also basically, why he is not getting the job and which is that union basically who is not allowing job to the Sunilar Nair. That also we are trying to solve basically. So like this basically debate has reached to this level. So in next video basically we are going to see the 20 percentage error of the education sector and how basically that solving the problem that is ongoing.